Hey everybody, Nick Muhlbach here. Today we are going to be doing a simple screen recording technique that might even just be built into your computer. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Alright everybody, so funny enough, and I'm going to say this for both ways that you record this. When you screen record, at least using the PC option, you don't end up recording anything. And I learned that the hard way, as I literally was just recording my Audition file the entire time when I went to go and show you guys how to do this. So this is how you do it for PC. Using screen grabs, I will show you everything. You simply hit the Microsoft sign in G, and then there will be a menu that loads up, and you simply just hit screen record. Now, I will say that I'm not entirely sure if this works on every single Windows. It might just be a Windows 10 on thing. I know it's through Xbox for game recording and stuff like that, which is definitely, when it comes to these bigger gamer PCs, something that people are going to want to use. And everybody has a different way of capturing their files. This is just my personal take, how I like to do it. Definitely would recommend exploring any option that you possibly can. So now let's move on to the Mac. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of the screen where it says QuickTime. Do a simple right click where it says screen recording. You just tap screen recording, and you tap screen recording as well in order to end it. Alright everybody, I hope that this helped you a little bit when it came to your screen recording techniques. This can be good for gaming, this can be good for tutorials itself. I definitely used it last week, and yes, it's just an amazing technique. I will say, this does not work with two screens. I have my boss, MDI Film. I'll leave his YouTube in the description. He tested it out. Unfortunately, it only recorded one of his dual screen monitors. But really, it's an amazing trick. It's something that I'm definitely going to use moving forward, and I really hope it helped you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.